Students, this is science teacher Ms. Fatma. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is about the caring for your sense organs, right? In the last video lecture we have discussed about the sense organs, that how many sense organs we have and what are the purpose of these sense organs and how these sense organs help us to understand the things around us, right? Let me give you a brief review what we have studied. We have studied about the sense organs, and we have the 5 sense organs. These are ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin, right? The purpose of eyes is that it helps us to see the things around us. The purpose of ears is it helps us to hear the things around us. The purpose of nose is to smell the different objects, the different things, right? Different fragrance. And the purpose of tongue is to give us the taste with the help of the taste bud and allow us to enjoy the food, different variety of food, different kind of foods, right? And the purpose of skin is to protect us from the hot environment, from the cold environment, and our organs from the germs. Alright, it acts as a blanket. It was all about the previous lecture. Now let's come towards the today's lecture. What we are going to discuss, about the caring for your sense organs, like how you are going to care for your sense organ. As you all know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us all of these organs, and it is our duty to care for all of these, right? If he has given us eyes, it is our responsibility to make sure that we are not wasting our eyesight, we are not doing. So what they have written in your book about your eyes are your sense organs that help you to see. What can you do to take care of your eyes? What are some things that can harm your eyes? Alright, there are a few things which affect your eyesight, and there are a few things which actually make your eyesight weak. So we must take care of those things, and we should not do all these things which actually affect our eyesight. The first thing that we need to do is we need to keep our book at least 30 centimeters away from your eyes. When you're reading, then how much distance there should be between the eyes and between the eyes in the book is about 30 centimeters. You should keep your book 30 centimeters, at least 30 centimeters away, so that you can read clearly and it should not affect your eyesight. Alright, now the second thing that you should not do is that you don't need to rub your eyes. Sometimes it happens like we feel some itching sort of in our eyes, and what we do, we start just rubbing our eyes. No, this is not the right way. You should not rub your eyes. It actually affects the health of your eyes. What you need to do is you just need to ask your elders, your mother, your father, or any brother or sister. You should seek their help, and if not, what you need to do, you just need to wash your eyes. Alright, so it may actually help you out from this irritation. The next thing what you need to do is you make sure that whenever you are reading or whenever you are doing any work that includes the focus of your eyes, like you are studying on the table or anywhere, make sure that the focus of light is completely 100%. That place should be bright enough that you are able to see all the things clearly, and it should not burden in your eyes. You should not feel like you are focusing too much and you are not able to read. The presence of light is so much important. That's why it is always told that don't read or don't study under the dim light. Always study, always read under a bright light where you can actually see the things clearly, right? So these are do's and these are don't. You don't need to rub your eyes. What you need to do, you need to keep your book at least 30 centimeters away from your eyes, and wherever you are studying, what you need to do is you need to have a proper light source so that it won't hurt your eyes. Alright, so the next thing, I already know that you all guys love to watch TV, you all guys love to play the different games on the computer screen, but do play. but make sure that you are at least sitting 2 meters away from your television and about 20 centimeters away from monitor screen, because the rays that are emitting from these screens are actually harmful when we sit too close to these devices, either to the computer or either to the television. Whenever you are seeing something, you are enjoying your cartoons, your movies, anything, what you need to do is you need to keep a good distance between you and the television screen. Is that clear? And what you don't need to do is don't stare at the computer monitor for too long. If you are studying something, if you are playing something, make sure you need to keep yourself, you need to give a break to yourself actually, and take break at every 45 minutes, because your eyes needs to have a good break, right? If you are going to sit continuously for hours and hours in the front of the computer screen, it will ultimately affect your eyesight, and that's not good for you, right? The next thing is, what you need to do is you need to have a regular checkup by the doctors. You need to have a regular checkup, because doctor will be able to tell if you need to wear the glasses or if your eyesight is getting weak or is it okay, right? So these are the few do's and don'ts that you should follow to keep your eyes healthy. These eyes are actually the God's gift, and we need to take care of our organ. All right, so the next organ we need to take care is your ear and nose, right? Your ears are equally as important as your eyes. Without ears, you won't be able to hear anything. You won't be able to hear what your teacher is saying. You won't be able to hear what your parents are saying. All right, so what you need to do is you need to take care of your ears. How you need to take care of ears? If you hear loud noises, what you need to do is you need to cover your ears. Alright, because these loud noises can actually affect the eardrum in your ears, which is quite sensitive, right? So this eardrum can be affected if you are exposed to the loud noises. And one more thing, we love to wear the headphones and the AirPods like this little girl is wearing. We love to hear any sort of music or anything. We love to hear these things, and we love to hear the loud noises, but remember that these loud noises are actually affecting your ears health. These are actually ear health. And what you need to do is, if you are wearing these headphones, make sure that that you are hearing in a safe volume zone. You are not hearing it too high that actually affect your ear health. And the next thing which I need to mention is, don't put anything inside your ears, right? If you are washing it regularly with and doing wuzu, you are doing it, and if you are doing effectively, there is no need to put any sort of earbud or these things to keep your ears clean. If you are actually maintaining your hygiene, your ears will automatically be cleaned, right? There is no need to put an extra earbuds like these to just insert them and swap them and just try to keep them clean. It is not actually keeping your ears clean, it is actually harming the drum inside your ears. All right. And what about the nose? That if your nose is running and if you are having a flu, don't put anything inside your nose, right? If you want to blow it out in a proper way. Use handkerchief or tissue to wipe your nose gently. Don't just squeeze and rub your nose like you are feeling irritating, right? It actually if you are going to do that, it will affect your smelling ability. Alright students, so what you need to do is you need to take good care of your ears, your nose, your skin, your tongue, each and everything. All right, so these are your organs and these are the blessings, and what we need to do is we need to keep our organs safe and sound. All right, so I want to mention one homework here. There you can see these match the following and this is fill in the blanks. Alright, I suppose that you have done the reading of this chapter, right? So you will be actually, it will be very beneficial for you if you try to do it by yourself and do these match following. So much class for listening to me. If you have any query, you can ask me and enjoy. Thank you.